This is the install video for the PDP steel frame Magwell. The stock Magwell just isn't very good. You can see the edges come far over what they need to in there, so you're not getting as large as a funnel as you should be able to. And then the backs here have this large cutout that exposes that big flat there that can easily hit on the magazine and give you issues during a mag change. So our design is a nice full funnel that matches up with the frame nicely. The stock plates that come with it have this strange flip out here that fits right inside of those cutouts. I don't know why they did that. There's absolutely no reason to have that there. If you do shave those off flat with this surface, these will work with our Magwell, but they don't work as they are because of those weird flip out areas. So we do make a extension for the full-size mags that specifically works with the steel frame. These are our new extensions for the PDP full-size mags. We do not sell our old style anymore that have our old locking plate, because that locking plate interfered with the steel frame. So these are discontinued in this style, but these will still work for the polymer frame. So going forward, this is the new design for the full-size PDP extensions, and it is a much stronger mounting system, so it can take more abuse. These do not fit properly in the stock Magwell because of their smaller opening on those. You'll want roll of duct tape or something that you can use that is above your table in order to knock that pin out. A 532 roll pin punch so that you can capture that pin properly, and a hammer to tap it out. Try not to lose your pin. Luckily mine didn't go too far. Their design also has this that goes very far forward, and so it is easier to install, but you also have these big ugly gaps in the back. So if that's not something you like, that's something we do away with as well. And also very big and bulky looking compared to ours that has a lot less mass to it, but still has a much better funnel in comparison. To get ours on, you want to get it started in the slot and then hook it on the front before you get all the way back. You can't really put the back on and then get the front because it's got a hook, and you can't really get the front on properly and hook it over the back. So you gotta start the back of it in there a little bit and then get the front and hook it back. You want to make sure that that hole is nice and clear. If that is pushed forward, you're going to have issues hitting the back of that, so you want to make sure you pull it to the back so you don't have that issue. There is still a bit of a gap in the back, but not nearly as much as with the stock Magwell. And you can see the funnel itself matches up nicely and gives you a good ledge all the way around, or a good funnel all the way around, rather than having that big ledge in the back. Take your roll pin while making sure you're holding the Magwell to the back. Tap it to get it started, make sure it's good and straight. After it's locked in that, take your roll pin punch. Try to get it evenly so the pin is same depth both sides if you can, and that's it. We do have a limited drop of these in brass, and we also have aluminum that are anodized in black. The brass can be Cerakoted, or if you like that brass look, they're ready to go as is.